it's spring again. In this season when all kinds of plants begin to grow, the bamboo also began to grow tender shoots. At this time, bamboo shoots have begun to emerge. The bamboo shoots picked in spring are also called spring bamboo shoots. This kind of bamboo shoot is called Mao bamboo shoot. It's also one of the species of spring shoots. The moment before its shoots are ready to grow out of the ground, people call it Wang Nagang, according to its image. Because its bamboo shoots are still buried under the soil at this time, the sun can't shine on it, so the taste will be fresh and tender after cooking. People like to use it as a precious cooking ingredient. Today we use this spring bamboo shoots to make a delicious bamboo shoot soup with fresh and pickled pork. Prepare a Huang Nigong, Mao bamboo shoot. Peel off the hard shell that covers it. Use a kitchen knife to peel off the remaining hard shells. Cut away the hard part of the root. Cut the bamboo shoots into small pieces. Take 150 grams of pickled pork or ham and cut into small pieces. Put it in the pot and boil it with water and remove. Take 200 grams fresh pork chop or fresh pork. Put it in the pot and boil it with water and remove. Pour pork chop, pickled pork and bamboo shoots into the casserole. Fill the casserole with water. Boil over high heat. Skim the scum. Stew in a high heat, and you will find that the soup slowly turns into milk white. If you don't like milky soup and prefer clear soup, stew on low heat. Add salt and sugar, stew for about an hour. After an hour, knot the green onion and put them in. Stew it over low heat for about 7 minutes. At this time, you can taste delicious bamboo shoot soup with fresh and pickled pork. Thank you for watching and subscribing.